Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with a quick market update for today, 7th of December. So, look at this. What is this? This is a choppy range day. We didn't have any kind of economic data today, just a bunch of mortgage rates and gasoline and crude oil stocks change and all that. So tomorrow is more of the same until Friday with PPI. We don't have any news, any important economic data. So until then, markets are trying hard to stay afloat. So watch these levels. Let's change to the 30-minute because this is something super interesting. As you can see, we've been trying to hold Powell's speech levels up here, but slowly but surely fears of recession, high interest rates, inflation, recession, all that stuff, it's affecting a lot the economy. A lot of sentiment is fearless about inflation, and I don't know about you, but this is looking pretty bad. So this is the base of the Powell move, the Powell speech move, and we are right there trying to hold. And this small blue dot line is last week low. We are trying very, very hard not to give up that level, as you can see, because down there, there's only empty space until 10,800. So be careful here. As you can see, this is the 30-minute chart. Look at this rejection candle on the 2-hour time frame, then more or less indecision, and right now trying lunch hour, trying to hold. The 30-minute also shows barcodes everywhere. This is looking pretty bad. And right off the open, we started going up. I think a lot of people were saying, okay, we are holding, let's go up again. And look at this. Markets are very visual. So we got this pre-market pivot, this pre-market resistance at 11,600, and we just tapped there. I'm sure we trapped a lot of longs up here, and we reversed it really, really hard. We started chopping around. We tried a second time. We didn't even break hold. And rejected settlement. This is settlement for futures, yesterday's NQ settlement, and then again rejections. Bear flag and right at the bottom. And we are right now trying to think about what we do now. So I think right now we are just sideways. Range day, I hate these days. I hate days like this one. I don't know about you, but we need some information. Dollar, it's also in the red. Yields are minus 2%. Minus 2%. Look at this. Minus 2%. The 2-year in the red, and the 10-year is also minus 2%. So why are not the markets pushing up? Because this is not only about inflation. This is also about recession. The economy is sick. Consumer discretionary, American consumer is really trying not to be fear, not to have fear, but I think right now there's nothing left but fear. And Tesla is feeling the pain for sure. Also, Apple minus 1.42%. Look at this. These 3 rejections. If we check the daily, 3 rejections on Apple on this descending resistance. And look at this. This is the mother of all rejections. A lot of bulls are trapped here, and we are breaking down this ascending support, this wedge, the same way we are breaking down the S&P 500 downside. As you can see, this is the ascending support that we broke down on the S&Ps. So stocks are feeling the pain, dollar, yields. We are just entering in a new phase of the markets in which we need news that stop the fear on the markets, on the people. And that's really hard when Feds are trying to, quote unquote, destroy the economy. Tesla minus 3.54% on the day, Google, Amazon, they are all feeling the pressure of the inflation, the pressure of the labor market. They are putting headlines around massive layoffs. So what is left? Well, metals, copper, silver, and platinum are all reversing. So metals are the way to go for during the recession because investors, big participants are betting on the future recovery. Not because this is a short-term ticket to the profits, but I think the only thing that will be holding is just bidding on metals and the use on the recovery in the future. Apart from that, I don't see anything. A bunch of 0.30% in the green for staples and healthcare, so that's defensive, but also energy minus 1.68%. This is crude oil. Look at this. There's only deep empty space below. And natural gas. Well, after this sell-off, we are somehow trying to see a recovery, but it's also feeling the pain. XLE, look at this, breaking down, making new lows. And I think this is typical pattern. A lot of stocks, indexes, futures, commodities, all apart from metals are breaking critical supports. And this is looking really bad, guys. This is not only about the fight against inflation, but also we are starting to see a lot of fear about a future recession in 2023 next year. So be careful with your investments, be careful with your position size and the approach you have to the markets, because we are trying really, really hard to hold these levels, and this is super important. We need information and we are not seeing it. So we are just chopping around. For now, let's see on Friday with PPI if overall sentiment changes somehow. That's all from me. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap. Remember, the trading day is not over yet. Maybe it's not even worth trading in this market and waiting for new opportunities tomorrow or Friday. Who knows? Discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.